Hi friends, good morning to one and all. This is Harika Nallapati. As part of my research seminar Productivity Software, I have chosen Ifttt. In this video, I would like to give a brief introduction of the Ifttt and the various features available in the Ifttt and give a sample example of how to use the Ifttt. If is an acronym like if this, then that. You can pronounce Ifttt as gift without G in it, Ifttt. Ifttt is both a website and mobile app that is launched in 2010. Ifttt is an automation service that enables you to connect to two services so that when something happens with one service, a trigger goes off and an action takes place automatically on the other. For example, let's say you are a photography fan who uses Instagram constantly throughout the day. You love taking photos with your mobile device, touching them up and sharing them for everyone to see. Your followers seem to love the photos, so you think that maybe you could be more serious about the photography issue. What are the reasons for using the Ifttt? Most people nowadays spend hours together in front of the computer for different reasons. Some of them like to watch videos, download music, read useful articles and lots of other fun activities. At the same time, using the internet has increasingly become a part of average person's work life. Whatever the case may be for you, you eventually ask to yourself, is there a way to do more repetitive tasks automatically? This is where if comes into play. What if can really do for you? There are various options you can use your Ifttt. Suppose for example, if you're tagged in a photo in the Facebook, you can create an alert like whenever you tagged in the Facebook, let the photo saved in the photo camera roll of your mobile device. When you set up the trigger, it will automatically save into your mobile. Coming to the usage of the Ifttt. Ifttt consists of My Recipes, Browse, Channels. Coming to channels. Channel is nothing more than a fancy word for a service. The brilliant thing about the Ifttt is there is variety of channels allows it to offer channels. Coming to the channels. There are variety of channels that will be useful for everybody. Now there are actually 273 channels as of now, and this list keeps on growing. Some of the most famous and used channels include Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Instagram, YouTube, Dropbox, and many more. Coming to the recipes. Recipes are what if worth your time. Basically, there are combination of two channels using a trigger and an action. When something happens on one channel, it triggers an action. Confused? Don't be. It will all make sense. Just now that recipes are the formulas you set up deciding which triggers will prompt which actions. We can create our own recipes when we click on the button of create recipe. I will explain you how to create a recipe for you. We can create our recipes on our own, or we can use the recipes which are already in there. I have created the recipes like unmute my phone when I get home or find my phone, or save Facebook's photos that I am tagged into my phone. When you want to create your own recipe, you need to click on this part so that it will give you a list of channels that you can connect to. These are all the available channels. Suppose YouTube, connect the channel, allow, then continue to the next step. The trigger files every time you like a video on YouTube. Okay, create a trigger. Then statements. Whenever I'm creating a recipe, like whenever I liked a video on my YouTube, that link will automatically come to my Gmail. Send an email to the address Nallapati Harika, or you can keep your friend's email ID so that whatever videos you like, it will be sent to them so that they will view the videos. This recipe title is like, if new liked video, then send an email from create recipe. This is how we can create the recipe. By clicking on the browse option, we can actually use the recipes that are actually in there. Some of the famous recipes are alert me when I'm kicked off my home Wi-Fi so that I don't burn through my data plan. Keep your profile picture. These are all the recipes which are already made. If you want your own custom recipe between the two channels, by triggering the two actions from the if this part and then part, you can create your own recipe as I showed before. These are all the famous recipes that everyone use. Keep your profile pictures in sync. Like if you update your profile picture in Facebook, it will automatically changes the profile picture in Twitter. Whenever you have the new photos in the Facebook, they will automatically go into the drop box. If you are more fascinated about the technology news, if you subscribe to this channel, you will never miss the technology news. This is turn ringtone back up when I leave work. There is actually connected recipes together, like mute your phone when you arrive at work. When you activate it, suppose you are trying to activate it. When you arrive at work, automatically it will mute your phone. Suppose your workplace is Minnesota State University, Mankato. Selecting. Locate your workplace, add it. It will automatically mute it. Done. These are all the recipes which are very famous. If you want a recipe where you cannot find the one here, you can create your own recipe. I have already shown. I think this will be a very useful app. You can try that. This one just needs to have a if app in your device. If it is an Android device you have a compatible if app in the Play Store. If you are having an iOS device, you have an compatible application for the iOS device too, so that you can keep sync of the mobile devices and everything. This is all about the if. There means when you go deep and dig through all the recipes, you can find many interesting recipes. You can actually add recipes to your channels. As for of now, I have subscribed to 36 channels out of 273, and my recipes are mute my phone when I arrive at work. If new video link is added, then email it. Unmute my phone when I go back to home. If I keep my phone somewhere and I don't know where, if I run this app, I can find my phone by ringing it, save my photos. You can create your own recipes and you can use it. Thank you.